I really like it, Amy.
Are you falling in love?
I really am.
What about your old pal Airstream? We happened to see a video from the Tampa RV show. We didn't go to the show. Too many people, too crowded, didn't feel like it. But this is a new floor plan that was released where we want a high quality, small, easy, nimble RV to get around in. So this is a big question mark for us. I don't know. It's worth taking a look at.
We are always talking about downsizing. If we had our way, we would be in a little class B plus. Maybe even a van.
That was extremely comfortable and luxurious.
Yes.
I don't know how I feel about it. It's kind of a step down from a Solitude, what we're about to look at, but it is not a step backwards in quality per se. I think that's what we're going to say.
But we'll find out when we get there.
All right, so here comes Jim. Let's get Jim's first impressions. I'm not going to say anything.
Oh, I want to hear your first impression.
Well, after you have your own first impressions.
Well, okay, I've got some first impressions.
Nice.
I'm sorry. Hang on, let me look.
You're taking no. It's good. You're absorbing. This is real. Yeah, come up in the pantry. Also, notice there's shoe space under the staircase. And then did you see the shoe space where you walked in?
Oh, I did not.
Like,
wow.
I mean, they fit so much in this tiny space. Holy cow.
That is amazing.
Put your arm in there just for perspective for us. Yeah.
And I'm not touching the wall.
That's amazing. The cabinetry feels nice. Solidy, not cheap. Look how large the microwave is. It's a full-sized residential microwave. A 3-burner top with an oven. A drawer underneath for pots and pans, which I love in our Solitude. We're not giving up much to go from a full profile, over 13-foot tall fifth wheel. How long is this? Not like
27 feet.
To a 27-foot mid-profile, so under 13 feet tall. Fifth wheel. Very, very smartly done. You just going ahead and moving in?
Well, I just wanted to see if it was fake or real.
It's real.
In both of those. So all the shoes right there,
it's these little things that they're thinking of in such a small space. Does it actually recline them? Oh, it reclines. So we actually
watch TV and see.
We actually prefer our theater seats not to be electric.
Yes, that is true. That is one of the things in the Solitude that I don't care for. Yeah. And I thought I wanted them, but
it's
I
slow.
forgot my cup of coffee.
It's a slow burn getting in and out. Plus, we seem to always accidentally hit the lights, the massage feature, the heat feature. Something's always getting bumped. The dog loves to play with the buttons, so. Wow. You've seen our rig. You've seen our kitchen. It has a huge island in it. One of the things that's making us nervous about downsizing is we use our counter space. We have coffee station. We have Berkey that we use to filter water so we don't have to buy water. Jim loves to leave dishes out to dry rather than drying them and putting them away. It's just how we live. And I don't feel like we're losing a lot here. Coffee. Berkey may be over on this table, so it would be out of the way. But in theory, we have room for it here also.
I know it.
Because the sink is so large.
Yeah, but that's a great coffee.
Let me show you all the storage in here. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'll come down here. Look. All the way back. So that is full depth of the counter, top and bottom. These two. Short girl problems. Okay. Above. Pots and pans. So, fun note, Alliance is reinforcing their drawers to hold 90 pounds. If you've never had the joy of pulling over for a pit stop or for the night and finding that the bottom of your drawer has fallen out in your RV, you're missing out. It's just kind of a rite of passage. They say that won't happen here. These are two very deep drawers. Wow. Okay, there's not a big open space for a trash can, but lots of storage space. You could let dishes dry there. Out of the way. Okay. More. So. It's just unbelievable.
It is unbelievable. All right, so one of the things that's striking me is
how cute the spice rack is. No, that's cute.
We're in a quote unquote half-ton towable class, and how tall those cabinets are,
and the ceiling in here.
I know.
But we are under 13 feet, so I guess it's the way the chassis is compared to ours.
So.
But storage, not an issue. Something we did worry about a little bit with the Airstream. Now, this doesn't have the cool factor of the Airstream. Like, oh, this is so different from everything else on the market. It's another fifth wheel. We've had a few. So smartly laid out. And the storage just does not stop. So these front seats are accessible by the drawers, but look, this whole back area, you wouldn't want to put anything back there that you needed frequently, but extra storage is just not an issue. What do you think of when you sit here and look at that giant window?
Tetons.
Yes. The Tetons. Best boondocking ever in the Tetons. If you haven't been, go. And where we're sitting, we're looking either out the window at our beautiful view or right at the television. It's really nice designated space. Also, I'm enjoying watching Jim try to Tetris these cushions back into place.
Let's see what you did.
It's a test.
Okay, another thing. Standard max air in the bathroom. I mean, even our Solitude doesn't have max air. We've got
which drives everybody nuts.
Yeah, I know.
How much does that cost to give us a max air fan in the bathroom?
Yeah, so.
What do you think? Try the shower. It's got a really big skylight in it. Oh, wow, yeah. Look at the shower head.
Oh, yeah.
That's standard.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Water miser?
No water miser.
No water miser?
But that's all right. Who needs a water miser?
Well. Okay, here's another thing that makes me happy.
Nope, not this one.
Oh.
That was in the paradigm.
This barn door has an actual locking mechanism. So for those of you who have been RV shopping or have an RV with a barn door, they really like to put small bungee cords on there that do not hold up well over time. And when these doors come loose while you're driving, things inevitably are going to flop around and break. But this is an actual lock. Well done.
Okay, this is our only hang-up space.
We've had before.
Yeah, I mean, this is, well, I don't know about that.
We've had this exact bedroom before, basically.
Oh, that's right. You're right.
Yeah.
Yep. Massive. Look at massive storage.
Wide open. Great place for some dirty laundry, spare sheets and towels, whatnots. These small, thoughtful details. Dimmer. Oh, we're on and off.
All right. Jim doesn't know how to use a dimmer.
I think you were just maybe too aggressive. Go gently. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Nice.
Oh, that is nice.
Just small, thoughtful details. Right? Deep drawers?
Yep. All full size drawers.
So, Alliance. Well done.
Well done, Elias.
Well thought out, thoughtful details. Greatly appreciated by those who spend a lot of time in an RV.
So it's all solar prepped, which I like. We would redo the solar.
All of it's got to go.
All of it's got to go. However, like even the boards, I mean, the stuff
Is there for you to put it on.
is for you. Yeah.
And you know
is
what? If you're someone who primarily camps in campgrounds,
Oh, it's perfect.
it's
I mean,
fine. It's great.
yeah, because I think this is well, this is 2,000 watt inverter. That's not
Wow.
too bad.
That's decent. Yeah.
I really like it, Amy.
Are you falling in love?
I really am.
It's an impossible comparison because it is not an apples to apples comparison.
No, it's
Trying to compare an Airstream to a mid-level fifth wheel. So it really does need to be about how you intend to use it, what your goals are. Livability?
I think the Alliance wins. We have lived in something very similar to what we just walked away from.
Some of the things we didn't love in that floor plan are addressed in this floor plan.
Agreed. But
So,
we know what the bedroom's like, we know what the bathroom's like, and we know sort of what the living space like, except now the kitchen's not right in front of the TV, right?
right.
So, but an Airstream, completely different.
So, yeah, we don't know what a Bambi would live like for us. Also,
Airstream, not Bambi. We're never,
we know more Bambi.
never going. Whether or not you know the story or not,
No,
never
never
going
gonna
back to a
happen again.
Bambi.
And here's where we are with it. We're not full timers,
Nope.
but we're kind of like half timers. Ability to live well in it for an extended period of time. One of my biggest concerns with the Airstream has always been the dogs. I think we're down to the Airstream and the tiny fifth wheel. And it's so weird to me to look in the side view mirrors and there not be an RV back there. And it occurred to me, it's going to be really weird to look in our side view and rear view mirror and not see a fifth wheel. I'm trying to picture what that's going to look like with the new rig.
Well, I think it's going to kind of look like this.